In here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Smith Corona. I don't know what this is. Let's see. It's a 5 Series typewriter, and I was just cleaning the segment, which was a disaster on this one. But I have a letter that just won't. It's just gonna stick. Keeps wanting to stick, and everything is cleaned up. And so I analyzed it a little further here, and I have found what I think. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna do it on camera, I guess. So the number 7 is up here, and I took the link off because the type bar is free. So I got the link off, and the type bar's, it acts like it's binding in the segment, but it's not, because I disconnected it, and it's not. But what I noticed when I disconnected it, because I was suspicious something was happening here, I do believe. So here we got the type bar and the linkage like this, and this little clevis right here. I think this is bent. The bar itself is straight here, but it's bent like this, bent to the side. It's kind of hard to explain, but so instead of this being squared up straight like this, it's bent like that. So it's got a it's not sitting straight like this, it's like this when it's attached. It's hard to see in here that it's doing that, but that's the link right here. And if I hold it up, it's crooked right now. It's crooked. Doesn't look like it on camera, but it is. So what I'm going to do is tweak it, form it. Take something here and see if I can form it straight. This is a little tricky. I don't think I've really quite done this before, but things happen. So I want to. I don't know if this will work. I want to use these, I think, and maybe even do it down here. Get the 7 up out of the way. Here. So I'm going to take this bar right here at this point, and I'm going to twist it. Twist it like that. Like that. See if that get the bend out of it. Okay, that does look straighter. So basically what I did was took that bar, it was crooked like this, and I did a little twist to it. Let's see if it's see if it looks straighter now. Oh yeah, might have even gone too far. Let's connect it and see if that solves the problem right away. I gotta move this bar out of the way to get this connected. Okay, 7's connected. Let's see what happens. Okay, it was jamming up pretty good before. Oh, that is it. I don't know if I've seen that. So this was definitely sticking on the way. With that little twist, that was enough. There's another one here that was doing the T hairs. I think the T's just catching in the guide up here. That's going to be a separate video, I guess. Yeah, I think the T is. Okay, that's it. So these can have a bend, not only bent like that, but it can be bent. It can be bent like that, and then it doesn't want to engage properly and wants to bind up a little bit. All right, just for reference, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.